Alright, so I'm under the Marauder, finally doing that fuel change here. It's going to be hard, of course, that's the Walboro pump. In this area, I have a Y, and what I've done is I've taken the PPRV and then capped that, because I still want the pop off. The pump has a check valve, so since the pump has the check valve, that will hold the fuel pressure I need. The pump is in there, the float and everything. It's really hard to get all this in, and I'd also had this connection here for that the tank level sensor and everything, because you know how that comes across the fuel tank and you can't actually pull the pump. So I just went ahead and cut them and modded this. That's always been under the car with a weatherproof connector. And this Y is just so that the pump can directly feed to the fuel rail without going through the restrictions of this, but they don't really make separate pop-off valves that I could find. So I'm using this instead and seeing how that works. So it's a process, but we're about to put the fuel pump back in. I'm going to do some pressure testing to make sure everything is together and well, and then we'll do some data logging to see that the transfer for the fuel pressure is actually keeping the fuel pressure up and not bleeding down due to lack of volume.